Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an artist or a content creator, you know how important it is to stand out on Spotify. One of the best ways to showcase your personality and connect with your audience is by adding a bio to your Spotify profile. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to add and update your bio on Spotify. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google app on your home screen. Now open it and type Spotify for Artist login and then simply search it. Tap onto the first option. Here you have to log in your artist profile. For that, tap on to continue button. Here you can find the Spotify account of your profile. Then tap on to next. Then you have to search the artist name of yourself and then search for it and then simply tap on it. Once you are on your profile page, look for the section that says bio and then you can easily change the bio of your Spotify artist profile. One thing to remember, you can't change the bio of your profile directly from your Spotify app. To change the bio, you have to simply go to your artist profile, Spotify, and you can only change the bio if you are an artist and you have the artist profile for Spotify app. And that's how you add or update your bio on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.